At some point in your life or another, you have probably hosted a Christmas party, or you will in the future, and if not you, then you know somebody in your life who has. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys 5 simple ways of what I do to host a party that makes it very simple and so much fun. So let's get started. The first thing that I do in terms of Christmas party is I decorate for my house and not just for the party itself. This way, the festive decorations feel a lot more natural. I have my Christmas tree, I have my mantle decorations, my stockings, I have garland around the stairs. That way it feels more like you're coming into a festively decorated Christmas home and not just like a bunch of bright red and green table covers and cloths. None of those things are bad, but this is more about just simplifying your life as a host when you are welcoming people into your home. Number 2, I love to set the atmosphere of my home. Even small things like some Christmas smelling candle or some Christmas smelling soap in the bathrooms, or just a little bit of a touch of Christmas here and there. I feel like that makes such a big difference when it comes to setting the atmosphere. When people come over, I always have some sort of Christmas instrumental music. I have my fireplace going. I have the lights dimmed. Things like that that just are very small and simple gestures, but they make people feel really welcome, and it's a really sweet way of just keeping the atmosphere very cozy and warm for all of your guests. Number 3, I typically tackle some sort of crazy project. I don't know what gets into me, but I just start getting this like productive vibe, and I'm like, I gotta do something crazy. For this Christmas party that I hosted, I ended up flocking my wreaths, and then I filmed it and made this whole tutorial out of it, and I was way in over my head, but it turned out beautiful, and I love doing that. I always tell myself I'm not going to do it, but then I get excited and I do it anyways, but then something gets off my list that I've been putting off for a long time. So win-win, overwhelming, but still a good win. Number 4, I make sure that I look presentable. I know sometimes when you're hosting, it can feel kind of draining and exhausting and overwhelming, but when people come into your home, they want to feel welcome, they want to feel loved and appreciated and enjoyed. And I feel like just getting yourself dressed, just getting nice clothes or your hair or makeup or whatever it is that you need to do to make yourself look presentable, do it. I think it just makes people feel a little bit more special when you're not just in your sweats and in your overwhelmed crazy hair because you've been working nonstop hosting a party. So I feel like that's really important to me. And last but not least, number 5, I will typically make some sort of dessert. I'll have some sort of hosting chocolate bar or coffee or hot tea station, something like that. And I actually made some salted caramel cupcakes that were sugar-free, made out of beans. And I also made a black bean cake for the party that I hosted for this week. And you can find that tutorial right over here. I'll post the link for you. They were so delicious and every guest enjoyed it. And so all the girls that came over, we had a sugar-free dessert party, a little ladies Christmas luncheon, and it was just so sweet for us to be able to gather together and bring our desserts. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if anything was helpful. In the meantime, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and I will see y'all next time. Bye!